Hey there, it's Diane Banks, voice actress and radio personality in Chicago. Please subscribe, click the little red button, and check out my other vids. How about Finding Dory? Are you the Gerald of your friend group? It's Crazy Gerald. Don't forget to watch that and my other vids. I have 200 for you now, 200 plus. On to your comments. Sarah Whitehouse watched my video about The Little Mermaid, Easter eggs secretly hidden in the movie, so be sure and check that out too. She says Kermit the Frog is in the audience. Okay, that's a great one, Sarah. We'll have to go back and check on that, so thanks. So keep those comments coming. Please subscribe. And please ask your friends too. That'd be great. Okay, so we're talking about smoking in Disney movies today. Why would I do this topic? First of all, I'm not a smoker. I quit many years ago, but I saw a video on YouTube the other day about smokers and a smoking section at Disneyland. I didn't even know they had that. So that's kind of what led me to this topic. I just thought it was interesting that they still even allowed it there. But I just happened on this too. With the designated smoking areas, they do still allow it. There's like a little smoking area. That's where I saw this in somebody's video. New Orleans Square and Frontierland, Fantasyland. So they have all these little sections of pockets for people who still smoke. Let's see, Hollywood Pictures area near the backwater, and you get the idea. Downtown Disney, prohibited inside door stores and such. And you can't buy the smokes anywhere on the property too, but they do allow it for people. I guess they don't want to completely cut you off from your smokes if you still do. And then at Disney World, they have some places here. This is interesting. Fee of up to $500 if you're in non-smoking areas, smoking like guest rooms, balconies, patios, and so forth. So I just thought that was kind of interesting that there are designated smoking areas around the parks. And then that led me to this. How about some Disney characters who are allowed to smoke in the movies before Disney banned them? That's right. Now, no longer can a Disney character smoke in Disney movies. In fact, this includes Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars. So you're not going to see Jabba the Hutt with a hookah anymore. In fact, I thought this was interesting too. I saw the Mr. Banks movie and never even thought about how Tom Hanks never smoked, even though Walt was a chain smoker. So that's interesting because that was after the ban. And then there's one of our movie smokers. So yeah, let's go take a look at those now. So here's a few of them. Then I've got some others for you too. But here's Pinocchio. He was allowed to smoke, but of course he learned a valuable lesson about icky cigarettes, didn't he, in the movie? Cruella, I don't know. Would she have been quite as evil without all that smoke? And there's Roger from 101 Dalmatians. Now, I guess being that he's a good guy, maybe the ban is important for characters like that. I didn't even remember in Aladdin the genie smoked. Did you? In the Paris scene there, and then there we see the caterpillar and Alice with his hookah. And I got another shot of this one too with Goofy in No Smoking from many years ago. And then the chief with the peace pipe. I got a picture of Peter Pan here coming up too. Here's another one. I didn't even remember that Captain Hook smoked in the movie. Did you? He's got a double cigar going in that. And Three Caballeros. This guy had the little parrot. Again, I never even realized it, but he had his parrot pretty much throughout the whole movie, I think. Now, I do remember this, don't you, in Dumbo, the scarecrow who smoked. That was sort of part of his character with the cigar. Seems like not so much cigarettes, but they tend to have cigars a lot in Disney movies. I don't know what that means, but maybe the animators like making cigars. But here we see Hercules using his thumb. But see, sometimes they're fun with a character. Which is going to lead me to the comments, and I want to know what you think about the smoking ban, if you think it's right or wrong or what you think. But yeah, here we have Ariel from The Little Mermaid using the pipe here. But again, they use it to learn lessons about smoking, generally icky in these movies. Although in The Hunchback, this gargoyle looks pretty happy having a smoke. Here's a few more that I found. Now this one's another of the characters from Peter Pan. This one's from Hunchback, right? With the goat having a smoke. I didn't even remember that one. Here we just saw that. How about the wizard? Is that Sword in the Stone, I think, right? With his pipe. So yeah, they tend to do a lot with cigars and pipes in particular in the early Disney movies, didn't they? Oh, here, this one's a cigarette. And then we saw that already. And then here are the mouse detective, I guess. There's Goofy. We were just talking about that with the no smoking movie. There's a scene from that. And I think this is Cinderella I could be wrong about that, but I think that's the one. I just like this too to show you a quick from Vogue when they did the story on the smoking ban. Isn't that cute? Her cigarette flies out of her hand like that. And then here's a few more quickies that I found for us. Here's another shot of Pinocchio with his cigar, and he learned a lesson. He turned kind of green, didn't he, when he had his smoke. And then here we have the live action version of Cruella with her cigar, or cigarette tip, or whatever it is. And then Peter Pan with the hookah, passed from the chief. And we have Hunchback with, there we go, another shot of the gargoyles again with one of those cigars. And what else did I want to show you? Yeah, we talked about that and this. So yeah, and wrapping up here, what do you think about the whole thing with the Disney characters? You'll never see them smoking in a movie anymore. Is it a good idea? Is it bad? In this poll, 48% said it's a good idea, 52% said no. And like I was saying, I'm sort of mixed on it. I think with some characters, it makes them interesting and fun or funny. It's sometimes like this, lends itself to the character, or like Cruella. But I want to know what you think. Do you think it was a good thing? Does it make kids want to smoke? And that's why. Well, I think that's pretty much why. I guess they said there was some pressure on them to have it banned. But love to know in the comments what you think about the whole ban. And we got to look at this one more time because it's so cute. Okay, so as we wrap up here, it's Diane Banks. Thanks as always for watching. Please subscribe, check out my other vids, and have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.